Hello, welcome back everyone. आज हामी फिफ्थ पोएम पढ्छौँ which is Soft Storm written by Abhi Subedi. He is one of the eminent personalities in the field of Nepali literature and he has written many poetry like Chasing Dreams, Sabadra Chot, etc. Let's talk about this poem today. Soft Storm चाहिँ के को बारेमा छ so, this poem basically expresses the poet's dissatisfaction towards what is going on in today's world and our society. He basically shows the bad scenario of the society and he begins with the natural world and then moves to the human society. Now, let's get into the poem. So, in the poem, he continuously repeats the sentence, I became soft. उसले चाहिँ के भन्न खोजेको छ भने हि बिकेम सफ्ट इभन आफ्टर सोसाइटीमा यति धेरै नराम्रो कुराहरू चल्दै थियो इभन आफ्टर सोसाइटीमा धेरै नै यताउतिको कुरा थियो देयर वाज लाइक हि हर्ड द टुमल्ट इज बेसिकली एकदमै लाउड कन्फ्युजिङ नोइज जुन एकदमै मास नम्बर अफ पिपलले गर्दा हुन्छ so even if he had that tumult still he became soft he changed his side and he was trying his best to become more soft to not be violent towards others and uh, the poet was just trying to be more natural still and calm उनलाई चाहिँ भाइलेन्ट भन्नु थिएन किनभने हाम्रो सोसाइटीमा जसरी हामीलाई थाहा छ एकदमै कुराहरू चलिरहेको हुन्छ देयर आर गुड थिङ्स देयर आर ब्याड थिङ्स बट ब्याड थिङ्स आर ह्यापनिङ मोर देयर आर मोर भाइलेन्ट थिङ्स पिपल आर फाइटिङ पिपल आर कर्सिङ यो सब कुरा चाहिँ हुन्छ सोसाइटीमा तर पनि यो सब हेरेपछि पनि द पोएटलाई चाहिँ he wanted to be calm he wanted to be soft उनले चाहिँ यो पोयममा भनेको छन् he becomes more soft even after he heard the tumult in the sky which crashed suddenly on the stillness he controls himself a, as if he inherited this softness उहाँले आफूलाई कन्ट्रोल गरिराख्नुहुन्छ अनि जति नै स्काईहरू कलरफुल भए नि इट लुक्ड एज इफ द मुन सेल्फ फेल डाउन विथ इट्स लाइट यो कुराले चाहिँ केलाई सो गर्छ भने हाम्रो सराउन्डिङमा जति राम्रो कुरा भए नि तर नि एउटा लाइट जुन थियो एउटा जुन स्पार्क थियो हाम्रो सोसाइटीको राम्रो कुरा राख्ने त्यो चाहिँ हराइसकेको छ त्यो नोइजी पोस्टर्सहरू त्यो पोलिटिक्सको नाइटहरू everything included is very disheartening. He becomes soft when homeless children in Tamil cried with hunger under the bearing trees of Kishar Mahal. I became soft when I returned from the meal where ceremony dances with mad steps on the unbeaded gardens of history growing around protruded rocks. उनले चाहिँ थमेलमा हेरेका हुन्छन् होमलेस चिल्ड्रेनहरू घर नभएको बच्चाहरू जो रोइरहेको हुन्छ आउट अफ एङ्गर आउट अफ हङ्गर एन्ड उहाँलाई चाहिँ एकदमै नराम्रो लाग्छ बिकज अभियसली हाम्रो सोसाइटी यति नराम्रो भइसकेको छ कि बच्चाहरू रुँदा नि कसैले हेल्प गर्दैन एन्ड हाम्रो सिटी अलि भाइलेन्ट काइन्ड अफ हुँदै जान्छ Here, the poet is actually trying to describe the scene of how people are getting more and more irresponsible, selfish, and indifferent in the modern times. He says that his softness becomes a storm when he sees a man being beaten for no reason in front of his family in hard times. People are getting senseless these days and he also says that he became soft when he saw a man in blood-stained shirt with injured lips in a city corner in this human museum. He could see so terrible scenes in the society. न अब यहाँ गल्ती नभएर नि कसैलाई पिटिरहेका हुन्छन् or else people are begging for food, people are begging for money. यो सब कुरा हाम्रो सोसाइटीमा एउटा नेगेटिभिटी काइन्ड अफ दिन्छ एन्ड दिस सिनारियो लुक्स टेरिबल. According to him, he says that he has to learn to be cruel and indifferent to their pain living in this hard time. When he sees such scenes of cruelty, irresponsibility, and crime, a kind of storm is raised within him. हामीले नि यस्तो कुनै कुरा हेऱ्यो भने हाम्रो भित्र नि एउटा त्यो रिस आउने गर्छ एन्ड त्यही कुरालाई चाहिँ कन्ट्रोल गर्ने कुरा गरिएको छ पोयममा. His storm becomes soft over the silent pair, the people carrying over the civil war, their rages and buried under helpless expectations. At the end of the poem, he called our time as the mad time. अब म्याड टाइमले चाहिँ म्याड टाइम चाहिँ किन भन्छ किनभने he finds that every time is running randomly and disorderly in our time. के पनि कुरा अर्डरले भएको छैन, के पनि कुरा एउटा सिस्टमेटिक तरिकाले भएको छैन. For example, the rhododendron generally blooms in spring season, but it has begun to bloom in the winter. Mother Earth needs to love us, but she has begun to kill many people ultimately. All the social and environmental disorders have created a soft gale of destruction. It will lead to a complete destruction sooner or later. What this shows is कि हाम्रो जुन वातावरण छ त्यसमा सबै कुरा डिस्ट्रक्ट भइरहेछ. त्यो हाम्रो मेन्टल हेल्थले गर्दा होस्, त्यो हाम्रो फिजिकल हेल्थले गर्दा होस्, त्यो हाम्रो एक्सन्सले गर्दा होस्, अर एल्स त्यो नेचुरल डिजास्टरले गर्दा होस्, त्यो मिसयुज भएको नेचुरल डिजास्टर, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस मिसयुज भएको नेचुरल रिसोर्सेसले गर्दा नेचुरल डिजास्टरहरू कज भएको त्यो सबै कुरालाई इन्क्लुड गरेर पोएटले भन्न खोजेका छन् द्याट डिस्ट्रक्सन इज सुनर अर लेटर. तर यस्तो हार्ड टाइममा पनि द पोएट इज ट्राइङ टु मेल्ट लाइक अ रेनबो. He's trying to melt like a rainbow and he's trying to become soft. According to him, he says that these soft storm dances with ripples of this uneasy lake. Here, the uneasy lake is the symbol of the chaotic and violent world. So, हाम्रो यस्तो violent worldमा पनि he is trying to be soft, he's trying to be calm, and he's trying to be responsible. His storm has to mingle with the storm of the society and environment. At the end, the whole poem describes the tumultuous times of this modern age and our modern era, जहाँ नराम्रो कुरा एकदमै धेरै छ, मान्छेभित्र रेज हुन्छ, they have got anger, they have got a lot many things going on inside and the environment is more affecting. तर the poet is trying to be calm, the poet is trying to choose the positive side. Though our society and our environment needs more good things, so he is starting it within himself, and that's it about the poem. Thank you.